Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosa, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are baking lemon cupcakes topped with whipped cream frosting. Ingredients for the lemon cupcake are 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of lemon zest, half cup of lemon juice, 2 room temperature eggs, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half tablespoon of baking soda, a quarter tablespoon of salt, half cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 3/4 cup of vegetable oil, and half cup of butter. For the whipped cream frosting, we will be using half cup of full cream milk and then 1 sachet of instant whipped cream, as well as 2 cups of icing sugar. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. Let's get started. Onto a mixing bowl, place the sieve, then pour into it the flour, the cornstarch, the baking powder, the baking soda, and the salt. After that, sift everything together into the mixing bowl. Then use a whisk to bring everything together. Now pick the mixing bowl containing the butter, add into it the sugar and the vegetable oil. Now with the aid of the whisk, combine these 3 ingredients until it is light and fluffy. When the mixture becomes fluffy, crack 1 egg into it and then continue mixing until the egg combines with the rest of the ingredients. Add in the second egg and then mix that together with the rest of the ingredients in the mixing bowl. Now add in 8 tablespoons of the lemon zest. And use the whisk to mix it together with the rest of the ingredients in the bowl. This is basically combining the lemon zest with the rest of the ingredients. After the mixing is all done, remove the whisk and then introduce into the wet ingredients mixture the dry ingredients. With the aid of the spatula, combine the wet and dry ingredients together until they are evenly mixed. Pick up the milk and then add into it the white vinegar and 1 tablespoon of the lemon juice. Use a spoon to combine everything together and then pour it onto the mixture of the wet and dry ingredients which is being mixed. Now mix everything together until you obtain a very nice, smooth and silky lemon cupcake batter. Don't forget to add in the vanilla essence as the mixing is ongoing. And with that being said, our lemon cake batter is ready. Pick up the baking tin which will be used in baking the cupcakes, and then the cupcake sheets. Place the sheets into the holes in the cupcake baking tin, and then use an ice cream scooper to scoop the batter into the cupcake sheets in the cupcake baking tin holes. Now bake the cupcakes at 160 degrees for 25 minutes or until a skewer comes out clean. It's time for us to make the lemon syrup which will be used in glazing the lemon cupcakes. We will be using 3/4 cup of the white sugar and the lemon juice. Pour the lemon juice into the saucepan on your source of heat. Add in the sugar and then give it a stir continuously until the sugar melts or dissolves. When the sugar dissolves into the lemon juice, remove it from the source of heat and then set it aside to cool for about 10 minutes. And this is how the cupcakes look like. It's very soft and moist to the touch, and also very delicious. Try out this recipe and you will testify in that same manner. Moving on to the mixing of the whipped cream. Into another mixing bowl, place in the whisk and then pour into it a 1/4 cup of cold full cream milk and 2 tablespoons of powdered or instant whipped cream. Use the whisk to combine the 2 ingredients together until it comes together in the form of a paste. Now add into it some of the milk and then the powder. Alternate it until both the milk and powder are in the mixing bowl and are mixed together in the form of the paste being shown in the video. And this is why I switched the whisk with the spatula. Look at how watery the mixture looks, which cannot be used for piping. And with this, you add in so many packs of icing sugar, but it will still be watery. So the only solution is to combine it with the icing sugar, and after that, place it in the fridge for about 10 minutes to stiffen up. Very soon, I'll be giving a detailed recipe on how to make whipped cream frosting for every cake that you'll be making. Our lemon cakes have been removed from the oven, our glaze is ready, and the rest of the lemon zest is also ready. So is the whipped cream frosting, which I just picked out of the fridge. We'll be using frosting the cake with a 1 piping tip and a transparent piping bag, or others call it a disposable piping bag. Scoop the frosting into the piping bag, which has the piping tip in it already, as I showed in the video, and then pipe your preferred design onto the cupcakes. I prefer to pipe some swirls or round movements on the top of the cupcakes. After piping onto the cupcakes, sprinkle some of the lemon zest onto portions of the frosting. You can cover the whole frosting with the lemon zest or maybe part of the frosting. Do it as you prefer. And with that being said, our lemon cupcakes with whipped cream frosting are ready. Look at how beautiful it looks. The lemon cupcakes are soft, and being topped and paired with the frosting is a match made in heaven. To enjoy this, remove it from the paper that was used in the baking, and then you can bite into it or any way you prefer to enjoy it. I decided to cut it into two and enjoy. Look at how soft that looks. Just look at it. For the rest of the lemon syrup, you can pour it into an airtight container and store in your fridge, especially the refrigerator or the freezer part, for at least 5 days. If you leave it in the fridge for a longer period of time, it will lose its taste and not be the same like how it was when it was being placed in the fridge. So note that. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. This new year, I'll be very glad if you could try any of our recipes and then give feedback on it in the comment section. Also, please subscribe to my channel, turn on your post and notification icon, and then share my videos with your friends and family. Let's all join hands and make this channel grow. Till we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.